In this video you will learn how to set the Truecaller as default phone app, open settings on your phone, go to the phone settings app for your home screen or app drawer. This is where you can manage system or app preferences. Tap on Apps or Application Manager, scroll down and select Apps or Application for the default app. This name may vary depending on your Android version. Select the default app option. In the app settings, tap default apps to view or change the app's handle calls, messages and other tasks. Choose the phone app option. Tap on the phone app or calling app to see the list of available apps you can handle and call on your device. Select Truecaller from the list. Choose Truecaller from the list of available apps to set it as your default phone app. This will enable Truecaller to handle calls and identify incoming numbers. Confirm your section. When you see a pop-up asking for confirmation, click OK or Confirm to finalize your selection. Truecaller will now be your default calling app. Now you know how to set Truecaller as your default phone app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.